Hey everyone, welcome back to Math Station. Today, I've got a really interesting puzzle for you. One that looks simple at first, but there's a clever little twist hiding underneath. We've got a cat and a chick. In two different situations, they're either standing on the table or under it. And we only know two numbers. In the first case, the distance from the cat's head to the chick's head is 180 centimeters. In the second case, the distance from the chick's head to the cat's head is 120 centimeters. That's it, just those two measurements. So here's the question. What's the height of the table? Seems easy, right? But take a second look. The logic behind it is actually beautiful. Let's see if you can figure it out before I do. Right now, hit pause. Grab a pen and paper and try to set up your own equations to find the height of the table. All right, let's work it out together. Let's call the height of the table h, the height of the cat x, and the height of the chick y. When the chick is on the table and the cat is on the ground, the empty space between the cat's head and the bottom of the table is h minus x. So the total distance between their heads is h minus x plus y equals 120. Now, in the other situation, the cat is on the table and the chick is on the ground. The space between the chick's head and the bottom of the table is h minus y. So this time, the total distance becomes h minus y plus x equals 180. Now we've got two neat equations. If we add them together, the x and y terms cancel out, leaving us with 2h equals 300, and from that we get h equals 150. So, the height of the table is 150 centimeters. Simple, but brilliant. A perfect example of how math isn't just about numbers. It's about patterns, logic, and the fun of figuring things out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So, goo!